Okay, so this one was a swarm from the chimney pot. Ooh, I know what I need. I need to get my J-tool. Now I was a little bit concerned with these guys. However, I can see they're drawing out comb, which means we need to put more in, more foundation in. But I am going to take the bit of burr comb off, otherwise it will be a nightmare when we move them over to a hive. You see? And there are eggs in that, so that's a good sign. It's a shame I have to get off. Destroy. There's another little bit here. Sorry. Yeah, again, there are eggs in there. They are only 1 and 2 days old, so we're okay with that. There's a chunk down there that I need to take off. In fact, let's take this out, shall we? Let's have a look. That's what I need to take off. Quick look. Now we know there's eggs. Yep, lots of eggs in there. Lots of eggs in there. What I'm going to do is move them across a little bit. You can hear them getting a little bit aggro. Let's just have a little look at this frame, shall we? Oh. Come on. Okay, nice. Lots of brood. Oh, one of them's trying to sting me. Get off. Good. Good, fantastic. So, boom, this is move. This one. And again, another great frame. Look at that. Whoa, fabulous. Fabulous. So we can see that the queen is running short of places to lay, hence comb. Let's help her out with that. Let's get a frame of foundation in. Oh. Move them all across. Get the frame in. Fabulous. Great stuff. Come on. Doing brilliantly. Come on, you. You. Epic.